All right, welcome to The Explainer. Our whole goal here is to take these big, complex ideas and just break them down into simple steps. And today, we're tackling a really big one. How do you build an online business from the ground up? We're going to do it using affiliate marketing.
Have you ever had this great idea, a passion, and thought, man, I wish I could make money from this online? But then the tech stuff gets in the way and it all seems so overwhelming. Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. It really just boils down to having a clear step-by-step plan. And that is exactly what we're going to walk through together.
Okay, so here's the game plan, our 5-part blueprint. First up, finding your niche. Then we'll get into creating content, building out your website, and then, the part everyone loves, optimizing it so you can actually make some money. Let's dive in.
All right, first things first. Every single successful online venture I've ever seen starts in the same place. And it's not with some huge, broad, I'm going to conquer the world idea. No, it starts with something super specific, a really focused foundation. We call this a micro niche.
So a niche is really just your topic, your general area of focus. But here's the absolute key, and a classic mistake a ton of people make. They try to cover everything in a huge category like, say, electronics. You just can't do that when you're starting out. The competition is absolutely insane. And this is where the magic of specificity really comes into play. Instead of trying to fight every single person talking about electronics, you go deeper. You drill down into a subcategory, a micro niche. Think smartphone vlogging kits or accessories for gaming. When you do that, boom, your competition just shrinks, and you have a real shot at becoming the go-to expert for that one specific thing.
Okay, but here's the big question, right? How do you even know if people are actually looking for stuff in your micro niche? You can't just throw a dart at a board and hope for the best. You've got to validate it. You have to look at the actual data and see what real people are searching for online.
And this is where you get that aha moment. We can use a free tool to look at search data, and check this out. The word gimbals by itself, way too broad, over 40,000 searches. Best gimbal for iPhone is a little too specific, not a lot of people searching for that exact phrase. But look at iPhone gimbal. That's the sweet spot. Almost 2,000 people a month are searching for that. That's a great audience, and you know exactly what they're looking for. They're ready to buy. That's our target.
Okay, so you've found your keyword. You know what people are searching for. What's next? Well, now we have to create the awesome content that's actually going to show up when they search, attract them to our site, and answer all their questions.
And listen, you do not have to be some professional writer to pull this off. Not at all. There's this brilliant 3-step process you can use. Step 1, use an AI tool to get a plan and a first draft. It gives you the structure. Step 2, you rewrite it. You put it in your own simple conversational words. You add that human touch. And step 3, you can use a free tool just to polish it up and make it sound super professional.
And this is so important. The goal here is to make that AI content feel 100% human-friendly. That's on you. Think of the AI as your amazing assistant, right? It can do the heavy lifting with the outline and the research, but it can't be the final author. It's your job to bring your personality, your experience, and your voice to the table. That's what builds trust and makes people actually want to read what you've written.
So you've got your killer content. It's all human-friendly and ready to go. Now it needs a place to live on the internet so people can actually find it. And you guessed it, that means it's time to build your own website.
Okay, and I know for some of you the word website can sound scary and technical. Don't let it be. Seriously, it's simpler than you think. Just think of it like building a house. Your domain name, that's your street address, like yoursite.com. The web hosting, that's the plot of land you're building on. And WordPress, that's your amazing toolkit that lets you build the whole thing without having to write a single line of code.
And really, that's the crucial thing to understand here. WordPress is totally free and user-friendly. It has completely changed the game. You don't need to be a programmer or a tech genius anymore to build a really professional, great-looking website. It's truly accessible to everyone, and that's a game changer.
All right, your digital home is built. Your content has a place to live. We are in the home stretch now. It's time for the final super critical steps, making sure people can actually find your website and then flipping the switch so you can start making money.
So, to get found by people searching online, we have to make sure Google understands what our content is all about. That's called SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. And don't worry, it's not complicated. We're going to use a free tool called a plugin. Think of it like a little app for your website. This plugin acts like a personal coach. It gives you a score and a checklist that tells you exactly what you need to do to improve.
Okay, so when you first paste your article in, you might see a score that's, well, pretty low, like 10 out of 100, and you might panic. But don't. This is totally normal. It just means we haven't told Google all the right things yet. This is where we start making some easy fixes.
See, the plugin just gives you this super simple checklist of things to do. It'll say stuff like, hey, add your main keyword. Remember, iPhone gimbal to your title, or make sure it's in the first paragraph, or add it to the description of an image. These are all really small, easy tweaks.
But they have a huge impact. Just by following these simple instructions on the checklist, you can see your score jump way up, maybe to a 68 or even higher. And what does that do? It sends a massive signal to Google that says, hey, this page is super relevant for iPhone gimbal. And that, my friends, is exactly what we want.
Okay, your site is optimized, people are starting to find it. Now it's time to actually make some money. We're going to do that by connecting our product recommendations to an affiliate program. The easiest one to start with for sure is Amazon Associates. Basically, they'll pay you a small commission every time someone buys a product on Amazon after clicking a special link on your site.
So once Amazon approves you, you get access to this cool little toolbar on their site. You can go to any product page and just click a button to generate a unique link. You see that bit of the link with the tag equals your unique ID? That's your personal tracking code. It's the magic piece that tells Amazon, hey, this customer came from this person's website.
And the last piece of the puzzle is just taking that special link and putting it behind a button in your article, something that says, check price on Amazon. That's it. When a reader clicks it, goes to Amazon, and makes a purchase, that unique ID tracks the sale back to you, and you earn a commission. It is literally that simple.
So there you have it. That's the complete blueprint, from just an idea to actually earning an income. We've seen how to find that micro niche, create the content, build the site, and get it ready to make money. The path is all laid out for you. So the only question left is, what are you going to start building?